Hello everyone, welcome to AI Digest by Swapnil. And today I'm going to share very interesting and informative content on AI agents. In last couple of years, we have been hearing several different terminologies around chatbots, like traditional chatbots, AI-powered chatbots, generative AI chatbots, AI agents, and agentic AI, and so on. Though all these terminologies sound similar, they are significantly different. So let's break this down and understand different type of AI systems in this video. In this video, we will see what are bots with brains and arms with generative AI in action, and we will also build our quick agent with Microsoft Copilot Studio. If you are still thinking that all chatbots we have used in the past were AI powered, then it's misconception. Most of the chatbots we have used in the past, even before existence of generative AI, were rule-based chatbots. For example, IVR system, airline booking system, and in-store shopping robots. Those chatbots were programmed to do predefined set of tasks with predictable outputs. They were lacking human intelligence. With generative AI in actions, we got introduced to something called as bots with brains, or in other words, AI powered chatbots. Now, chatbots got power of large language models and which added intelligence to them. So it's no more just a simple conversation. The conversation is powered by brain, that is LLM, and hence it adds contextual understanding. It has a diverse applications and of course enhance user experience. Now we saw structured chatbots, AI powered chatbots. So all this is limited to conversations. But what's beyond conversation? Let's see. So here is where major breakthrough happened in the age of generative AI with the rise of AI agents. So AI agents are the evolution to the chatbots as a next step by combining conversational AI with task execution capabilities. In other words, we can say now chatbots got brains as well as arms. So they are not just able to do intelligent conversation but also able to do some actions. So that is what we called as AI agents. Because of their capabilities of doing action salvage, agents enable automations in different domains, different sectors, different organizations. In IT help desk, HR processes, business workflows, and also your personal productivity also get increased. In short, AI agents, they just don't talk, they also act. Now let's see core components of any AI agent system. First one is prompts and intents. This is what defines your agent, what your agent is going to do. Second is generative AI. This is what adds power of LLM or brains to your agent. Third one is knowledge base. This is for grounding your agent with organizational data or any external data sources. Then very important, agent tools. This is what make AI agent and AI agent, the capability to perform actions and integrations. Then the last one is conversational flow orchestration. This helps to define a flow of agent or actions based on the user intent and predefined topics. Now we have understood AI chatbots, AI agents. Also we have seen core components of agent. But how to build an AI agent? So I'm going to introduce you to Microsoft Copilot Studio. Is a low-code platform which helps organizations to build their AI agents quickly in minutes. Now let's see AI agent in action. We are going to build AI agent with Microsoft Copilot Studio in just few minutes. Copilot Studio is accessible with URL copilotstudio.microsoft.com. You can log in with your Microsoft account in order to enter Copilot Studio. As soon as you land homepage of Copilot Studio, you see something called as describe your agent to create it. This is what Copilot for creating your Copilot Studio agent. Here you can give simply instructions to start building your agent. This is really faster and reliable way to start building your agent. Now let's build our agent for a health organization which is going to help their consumers, specifically patients, with the health advisory from the organization. So I'm going to describe my agent in just simple natural language. It should provide information about health condition, treatments, and advice for healthy living, nutrition, exercise, mental health treatment suggestion. Let's see. And Copilot Studio has already started creating your agent. Now Copilot Studio is suggesting a name to your agent which is Health Guide. Either we can accept this name or we can give our own name. I would prefer to give Health Advisor. Okay, so the agent name is given. Now let's refine what Health Advisor will do. Could you share more details about a type of information or advice you want it to provide? Now I don't want my agent to do any diagnosis or any details of medical practitioner. So I am giving my response to this prompt from Copilot, and I also want my agent to respond in polite and friendly tone to the end user. Now it's building and customizing our agent as per our natural language prompt. Health Advisor has been updated to provide information about health condition treatment. Next, you have the option to add knowledge source. Now, since we are building agent for health organization, I want to add knowledge source from a public URL. I would take a public URL from Ministry of Health and Prevention UAE, which has published a lot of guidelines related to health. We will use this to build our custom agent. Meanwhile it creates, I would like to show this. There are different sections, like for example awareness material. You can go there, you can see ideal weight calculator, the smart shopping and cooking experience, and then climate changes and air pollution training toolkit, etc. So we will use this URL in our agent so that our agent can respond specifically. Now it's asking whether you want to modify agent more or you are done. For now I will just try to create agent. Here you go, your agent is ready for use. Now we just saw how we can build agent quickly with some series of simple language prompt. Now let's go one by one through components of agent. You can see the description. It is generated based on our prompt given to Copilot. You can see here agent. This is something, if you remember the core components of agent, there is generative AI or LLM component. This is the one which is giving LLM to your agent. Currently it is selected at GPT 4.1, but there is options to also change to another model available with the Copilot Studio. There are few LLMs which are in preview mode. You can see GPT 5.4.0 is retired. So this keeps on changing depending on availability of LLMs within Copilot Studio. Another core component of agent is knowledge base, right? We have added knowledge base from Ministry of Health and Prevention website, and you can see it is added here. With this, let's try to test our agent. I will ask something like suggest me healthy diet plan for UAE summers. So let's see. We are expecting agent to refer to the Ministry of Health and Prevention website and suggest us healthy diet plan. You can also see what agent is doing in the background to respond to your query. You can see it was reference sources was from Ministry of External Affairs, healthy food choices section inside that, and if you go to the website you will find the section here. So based on that your agent is working and it is responding you with a healthy diet plan for UAE summers. So we have got response from Copilot Studio. However, I would not say this is complete AI agent. I would categorize it in the chatbots or AI powered chatbots with some knowledge base to it, because we are not doing any action. The agent is not doing any action, right? We have not yet given tools to your agent. So let's see how to make it an AI agent by adding of some functionality or some actions or some tools to your agent. So you can see the tab tools. You can go here and click on add a tool. There are built-in connectors with Copilot Studio, almost 1400 connectors available in Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem. You can use them, or you have option to create custom connectors as well. For this demonstration purpose, I will use Office 365 Outlook as a tool. I want the response or health suggestions to be sent to my email also. So I will go ahead and use a send an email tool from our available built-in tools in Copilot Studio. It will ask you to connect to your Exchange account, and it is as simple as just 2-3 clicks to add your tool to the Copilot Studio agent. Now the tool has been added to your agent. Send an email. This tool expects some inputs like to email address, subject and body. I will keep it to dynamically fill with AI because I want the conversation AI to orchestrate and fill these details on behalf of us. You can hardcode these details or you can customize those details. I will keep to be filled by dynamically by AI. And that's it. Our tool addition is done. Now I can go further and ask my agent to send me this plan on email. So now we are asking our agent to also do some action. Go ahead and send email to my mailbox, and see, it's asking to allow to connectors. This will be a first time you use this connector, and you see the response. The healthy diet plan for UAE summers has been sent to your email address. Let me go to my mailbox Outlook, and you can see here we have received email just now 10:45 with whatever summaries our Copilot Studio had given to us to our query. It has sent to my email ID. So this is how we have built AI agent health advisor quickly with some simple prompts and adding tool functionality. So in today's session we saw what are the difference between chatbots, AI powered chatbots, AI agents, and the components of AI agents like knowledge base, tools, orchestration, and your LLM, right? So that's all for today. Stay connected and subscribe to channel for further interesting content on AI and Copilot. Thank you.